How to create any year calendar in MS Word. All you need to do is that you need to go to File of Word document, New, and any calendar year you can type out, and then you'll find something called Family Calendar Year. You can pick that format. That is the third format. You can easily pick it. And if you wish to change to different year, you will be able to do using this command Shift Alt Enter. And now we can go ahead and create a new calendar year for 2025. How to do? Go to File, go to New, and you can type out any calendar year. I'm just entering it. And the third format is Family Photo Calendar. Now it has given this calendar. This calendar has two images, and then all the 12 month it has given is starting from Sunday to Saturday it has given. But if you wish to change to Monday or any other day, you will be able to do. And it is directly coming from Microsoft. So create. So the template is going to get created. It has given the pop-up, select the calendar dates. Let's say you have different dates starting from 2025, that is current year, and until 2035. So 10-year calendar it has given, 11-year calendar it has given. So let's say 2025, and we wish to have like Monday. We start with the Monday. Can go ahead and give okay. So now it will change from Monday to Sunday to Monday. Monday to Sunday it has given. And if you wish to change the images up and have your own desired photos and images, you will be able to do. And if you wanted to change the format, you will be able to change the format also as well. Let's say if you wanted to change different formats, you will be able to do that also as well. Or fonts and all that you will be able to do. Not only that, you have the additional icon called calendar. In the calendar, if you wish to have any other things, you will be able to do. See the green or the other quotable format or parcel format, right? Any format, you will be able to do that also as well, right? And then you have a different styles, right? So Office 2007, I'm just selecting it. Or if you wanted to change everything into different color, I mean fonts, you will be able to do. And again, using two things you can do. Either you can give Alt, Shift Alt Enter. Let's say Shift Alt Enter. You will be able to go back, or you can select from here, select new dates, right? So you'll be able to do one of the two ways you can do that also as well. Let's say, and we have changed the format. Now we are happy with the Arial font, and let's say layout. In the layout, if you wanted to make some adjustment, you can do it. And let's say I have selected and I wanted to make it center, you can do it. And then what else you can do? Let's say if you this whole thing is being changed. Let's say we don't need to make it bold. Let's say I'm just by selecting it, I'm just making it to normal one. And then you have a design. In the design, you have a borders also you'll be able to change, right? Say like these borders you will be able to change. And then furthermore, if you wanted to have that any other markings, you will be able to do that also as well. For example, layout, you can change. Design, of course, you can change. In the design, what I really like is that watermark, right? So page colors, of course, you can change it. So any page colors filled one, you will be able to do that. For example, let's say I have selected like this. So the font is not visible. So if you want to change any other colors, you can do that also as well, right? So now I will give no colors, okay? And then furthermore, if you wanted to add the watermarks, you can do it. For example, let's say I'm creating custom watermarks, and then I'm giving it text, and in the text I'm just giving it 2025. And I'm going to keep the same font, and size is, let's say, even a small size is fine, or auto we can keep it. And diagonal or horizontal, diagonal looks good. So I'll give okay. So now you see that 2025 it has given. And let's say, but the font is big, right? So we want in 2 is not visible. If you wanted to change, and now one more time, you can go to watermark and custom. In the custom, you have the font. You can reduce or increase the font also as well, right? So this is no very, very small, right? So we need a little bit bigger, right? So what we can do, we can go to, let's say, 48. 48 looks slightly better for us. Or if you want, you can do that bigger also as well, right? Go ahead and pick uh, 96 as an example. It will become double. So it looks better, right? 2025. And any other style, you can change it. And colors, you will be able to change it. Or in the title, you will be able to change it and all that, right? So all these customizations, the very photo itself, we can change it and all that. I hope you find it useful on how to create any calendar in Microsoft Word using the given template directly from Microsoft. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.